Hello dear students, welcome back in your computer class. Today I am going to discuss rest portion of chapter 3, that is advanced features of Access 2013. Let's go. First one point is creating a query with multiple conditions. Mean to say आप एक क्वेरी अप्लाई कर रहे हैं जिसमें बहुत सारे कंडीशंस एक साथ अप्लाई किए जा सकते हैं और एज वी नो दैट query is always applied to any table. So first of all you have to select any table, then after you can apply query with multiple conditions and it show the result according to all given criteria or conditions. For example, the following query show the records for which fee less than 600 and the hospital is Hillwell Hospital. As you can see in this figure, condition is applied here, fee is less than 600, then a hospital is displayed here having fee is less than 600 which is 500 and the doctor belongs to Hillwell Hospital is Dr. Vinod. Similarly, some other examples are given here which show the multiple conditions of queries like fee greater than equal to 600 and you can see here only one hospital which show only one doctor which show 600 fee status, Dr. Silpi. Come to some example. This is the example which show the doctor's name whose fee is greater than equal to 600, as you can see here. Like this we can apply query with multiple conditions. Come to the next point, which is forms. As we know that forms provide an interface that allow user to enter data, change in data and view the data of database table. Forms are made up of elements such as text box, labels, etc. These elements are known as controls. फॉर्म्स जो होते हैं वो आपको एक इंटरफेस प्रोवाइड करता है जिसकी मदद से आप नए रिकॉर्ड्स को ऐड कर सकते हैं, कोई भी रिकॉर्ड्स में कोई भी चेंजेस ला सकते हैं या फिर रिकॉर्ड्स को व्यू कर सकते हैं वन बाय वन. In form there are three views. First one is form view, second one is layout view and last one is design view. According to name, all these view help to create form. First one is form view which helps to create, enter, edit and view the data of form. Next one view is layout view. In this view we can change the size of various controls of form. Next one is design view. Design view display only the structure of your form in which you can view but cannot make any changes in the data. And next one is creating a form. How to create form in Access application. To create form, first of all we have to select any table on which we can want to create form. Next one is click on create tab. In create tab there are all options to create forms, queries, reports, tables. Click on form option. In the form group, to create form, a form is created and opened in the layout view. By default form is opened in the layout view. And next one is you can change the view to the form view to any other view and this helps to enhance the appearance of the form. There are two tabs. First one is format tab, second one is for design tab. Both tab helps to improve the appearance of the form after creating it. As you can see here, formatting a form means to change the appearance of the form or to enhance the appearance of the form by using design and format tab, and both these tabs appear after creating form inside the navigation pane. Using the design tab, how to format form. To format form, we can add logo, title at the top of the form format, and also help to create header and footer in the design view. Next one is using the format tab. Format tab also helps to change the background of the form, also helps to change the color of the text or different shapes. By changing all these, we can improve the design or improve the appearance of the form. As you can see here, this is the formatted form and this is the simple form. As you can see, next one is report, and report will be discussed in the next video session. Thanks for watching.